Makita has just dropped a fresh lineup of tools this June. Whether it's for precise measuring, faster fastening, or cleaner finishing, these new releases are already rolling out and might be in your hands sooner than you think. So let's see what's new coming. First up, the SK-R001 rotary laser steps in when pinpoint accuracy is a must. It's got 4 rotation speed settings, a scan mode for focus detection, and can reach up to 800 meters when paired with a digital receiver. Mount it vertically or horizontally, control it remotely, and take it outdoors thanks to its weatherproof build. The best part? It runs on XGT, LXT, or CXT batteries with an accessory tray, keeping power needs simple and flexible. Next, the BCC001 battery charging case is here for those needing power on the go. It can store up to 8 batteries, charging 4 at a time while showing live charge status through LED indicators. It's designed for portability with rotatable handles and IPX4 weather resistance, charging a full case of BL420 batteries in 75 minutes or BL480F batteries in under 5 hours. Plug in 4 cases at once and wake up to 32 fully charged batteries hassle-free. Moving to finish work, the DBN601 and DBN610 18V LXT finishing nailers bring jam-free operation and depth control for clean finishes. Whether it's the straight magazine on the DBN601 or the angled option on the DBN610, these nailers fire up to 3.3 nails per second with dual operation modes for control and can handle around 1,000 shots per charge using a BL1820B battery. For heavy fastening, the DTW1005 and TW0011G impact wrenches are bringing serious torque. The DTW1005 delivers up to 1,360 Nm fastening torque and 1,700 Nm nut-busting torque, while the TW0011G cranks it up to 1,500 Nm fastening and 1,900 Nm nut-busting torque. Both feature electronic 4-stage impact power selection and twin LED lights for working in low light. Screw driving just got easier with the DFR 552 18V LXT Brushless Auto Feed Screwdriver. It uses push-drive technology to save battery and reduce noise, handling screw diameters from 3.5 to 4.2 mm and lengths up to 55 mm. Features like easy casing installation, reversing lever, and a lock-on function make it a practical pick for continuous fastening. On the framing side, the DBN901 18V LXT framing nailer is ready for big jobs, handing nails up to 90 mm with a 41-nail magazine. It features anti-restart, dry fire protection, adjustable depth, and ergonomic hooks, giving control and comfort for long framing sessions. Finishing surfaces gets a boost with the UB002G XGT Orbital Mini Sander. It keeps weight off your hands with the connector battery system, offering a 2mm orbit and a 93 by 185 mm abrasive surface. It pairs well with Makita's new net-type abrasive discs, supporting both vacuum and dust bag setups for clean sanding. Trimming outdoors is faster with the UB002G 40V Max Pruning Saw, featuring a transported 150mm guide bar, toolless chain adjustments, automatic oiling, and a retractable guard for safety. It's up to 70% more efficient than previous models, allowing up to 415 cuts per charge depending on the battery. For drilling and chiseling, the HR2670 hammer drills bring 3 joules of impact force, variable speed, SDS Plus compatibility, LED lighting, and a lock-on trigger. Available in 110V and 240V, these drills handle masonry and concrete work while keeping vibration in check. Clearing debris is easier with the UB002G XGT Blower, delivering up to 99 meters per second airspeed and up to 120 minutes of runtime. It features variable speed control, a compact balanced design, and a vacuum mode with optional dust bags, offering flexibility for job site cleanup. Compact power comes with the DDF490 drill driver and DHP490 Combi drill. These drills feature 2-speed gearing, variable triggers, LED lighting, and up to 65 Nm of torque, with the DHP490 adding hammer mode for masonry. They support drilling in steel, wood, and board with 20 torque stages and a keyless chuck for quick bit changes. Lastly, the CL004 series vacuums offer 4-mode suction control, a 250ml cyclone dust box, pro-grade nozzles, and tool-free attachments, making cleanup simpler and more efficient. So we can say Makita's new tool lineup is all about pushing efficiency while keeping tools user-friendly and job-ready. Let us know which of these tools you're planning to get your hands on first. Subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment if you think we need to improve anything in our videos. Thank you.